Last video we put together the subframe that sits on the frame of the truck. Now we'll fabricate the top portion of the flat deck. To start off, we're going to cut up all the material we need and then we're going to start welding it together. I went ahead and painted it and then cut and welded on my guidance tabs and then the tabs that keep it from moving left to right. And I pre-cut all my deck steel, so my two runners and then my actual decking, I guess. Not the decking itself, but you know what I mean. Cross members. What I'm doing now is I cut out a cardboard template and I am marking where the lip of the side channel is gonna come into, and I'll weld it up. I went ahead and coped all my pieces of steel. I notched out the front and the rear because it's gonna sit up against here, and the runners will lock into here, and these will lock into the sides. So went ahead and did that all because it's just time consuming and pretty boring to watch someone just hack away with an angle grinder for 3 hours. Okay, we're going to weld this together. I'm still not sure if I want to do it on the truck or on the pavement. I'm thinking the pavement's going to be better, but we'll see. Okay, so I took my C-channel off the truck, put it on the floor. So this is the frame for the deck. I laid it out upside down because these notches get welded into the top, so they're gonna get flipped over and in here. Anyways, it is square corner to corner, 127 and 1/8. Corner to corner, 127 and 1/8. Mint. So we're gonna tack it together, make sure it holds it square, and then we'll put it back on the truck, or we'll put those in, then put it on the truck. We'll figure it out, then weld it together 100%. Let's get going. glove and a lining bar and a hammer. We got it on there. So I'm going to weld it to the runners here. And then I'll square it up with the cab. And then I'll weld the runners onto here. And I'll put the other cross member in there. And be good to go.